Paul, Booker introduce bill to end FDA animal testing mandates. Sens. Paul Randal, Rand, Howard Paul Hillicon Valley, presented by American Edge Project, Russia dominant force behind cyberattacks in last year, report finds Senate locks in deal to vote on debt ceiling hike. Thursday lawmakers introduce bill to limit data collection at border crossings. More, Kentucky, and Cory Booker, D-N.J, announced they are introducing a bill to end U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, animal testing mandates. The FDA Modernization Act will put an end to an FDA mandate that requires experimental drugs to be tested on animals before they are used on humans in clinical trials. The proposed legislation, introduced Thursday, is currently co-sponsored by Sens. Braun Michael Braun Paul, Booker introduce bill to end FDA animal testing mandates. Democrats delay debt ceiling vote to huddle on McConnell offer. Senate GOP seeks bipartisan panel to investigate Afghanistan withdrawal. More, RN, John Kennedy John Neely Kennedy More, Law, and Ben Ray Lujan. Democrats urge tech CEOs to combat Spanish disinformation. Biden backs effort to include immigration in budget package. Biden to meet with 11 Democratic lawmakers on DACA, report. More, New Mexico. It is a core American value to oppose cruelty to animals. However, the US FDA still conducts tests on 100 million animals a year. Today, Wayne Pacelle met with Rand Paul on Capitol Hill to introduce legislation that would eliminate the requirement for animal testing. The legislation will not ban animal testing, but will give drug sponsors an option to use alternative methods, according to the statement. The FDA Modernization Act would accelerate innovation and get safer, more effective drugs to market more quickly by cutting red tape that is not supported by current science, Paul said in a press conference on Thursday. It would also prevent the needless suffering and death of animal test subjects, which is something I think both Republican and Democrats can agree needs to end. Thanks to modern scientific innovation, the use of animal toxicity testing for experimental drugs has become increasingly obsolete, Booker said. This legislation will eliminate unnecessary suffering for countless animals when scientifically reliable alternative testing methods are available. Booker, a vegan, previously introduced a Farm System Reform Act, which seeks to phase out confined animal feeding operations by 2040.